Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to insert a video into Google Sheets. This is a handy trick if you want to add tutorials, presentations, or any video content directly into your spreadsheet. First, open a Google Slides presentation. Go to Insert, Video, and choose a video from YouTube, Google Drive, or by URL. Click Select to add it to the slide. Next, click on the video to select it and copy it using right-click, Copy, or Control-C or Command-C. Now, open your Google Sheet and select the cell where you want the video. Go to Insert, Drawing. In the Drawing window, paste the video using right-click, Paste, or Control-V or Command-V. You should see a preview of the video in the drawing canvas. Finally, click Save and Close. The video will now appear in your Google Sheet and you can move or resize it as needed. And that's it! You've successfully added a video into Google Sheets. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.